upon a time, there was a little engine called Edward. He lived in a shed with 5 other engines. They were all bigger than Edward and boasted about it. "The driver wouldn't choose you again," they would say. "He wants big, strong engines like us." Edward had not been out for a long time and began to feel sad. Just then the driver and fireman came along to start work. The driver looked at Edward. "Why are you sad?" he asked. "Would you like to come out today?" "Yes, please," said Edward. So the fireman made a nice lot of steam and Edward was off. Then the driver pulled the lever and away went Edward to find some coaches. "Peep, peep," cried Edward. The others began to feel cross of being left behind. Away went Edward to find some more coaches. Be careful, Edward. Don't bump and bang us like the other engines do." So Edward came up to the coaches very gently. And the shunter fastened the coupling. "Thank you, Edward," said the coaches. "That was very kind of you. We are glad you are taking us today." They went to the station where the people were waiting. "Peep, peep," whistled Edward. "Get in quickly, please." So the passengers got in quickly, and Edward waited for the guard to blow his whistle and wave his green flag. He waited and waited, but there was no whistle, no green flag. "Peep, peep, peep, peep," whistled Edward. "Where is that guard?" Edward was getting anxious. The driver and fireman asked the station master, "Have you seen the guard?" "No," said the station master. Then they asked the porter, "Have you seen the guard?" "Yes, last night," said the porter. Edward began to get cross. "Are we ever going to start?" he said. Just then a little boy shouted, "There he is!" And there was the guard running down the hill with a sandwich in one hand and a flag in the other. He waved his green flag and jumped into his van. Edward puffed off. He did had a happy day. All the children ran on as he went past. He did had a happy day. All the children ran to wave as he puffed past. He met old friends at all the stations. And he worked so hard that his driver promised that he will take him out again tomorrow. That night at the sheds, Edward told everybody else, "I'm going out again tomorrow." He said, What do you think of that?" But he was so tired that he fell asleep at once.